Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create layers in AutoCAD. Layers are one of the most important organizational tools in AutoCAD because they help separate different parts of a drawing into manageable categories. Instead of placing every object into one single workspace, layers allow you to organize drawings based on elements such as walls, dimensions, furniture, electrical systems, text, hidden lines, center lines, and much more. A layer in AutoCAD is essentially an organizational system for drawing objects. You can think of layers like transparent sheets stacked on top of one another. Each sheet contains different parts of the drawing. Layers help you organize drawings, control visibility, manage printing settings, separate drawing components, improve drafting efficiency, and reduce editing confusion. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to create layers. Next, click on Layer Properties. The Layer Properties Manager is the main control center for managing layers. Inside the Layer Properties Manager, click on New Layer. What happens next? AutoCAD creates a brand new layer entry in the layer list. This new layer becomes available for organizing drawing objects. After the layer appears, rename it. Proper layer names help keep drawings organized. Next, choose the layer color. Layer colors help visually separate different drawing elements. They're also important for plotting, printing, line weight management, and drawing readability. Next, choose the line type. Line types control how lines appear visually. Different line types communicate different meanings in technical drawings. For example, hidden lines indicate unseen edges. Center lines indicate symmetry or centers. Dashed lines may indicate boundaries or references. You can also set transparency. Transparency controls how visible or faded objects on the layer appear. You can also choose whether to lock the layer. Locking prevents accidental editing of objects on that layer. Once the layer is created, you can draw directly onto it, move existing objects into it, and control its visibility and behavior. How objects use layers. Any object drawn while a layer is active automatically belongs to that layer. Why active layers matter. Before drawing, users often switch to the appropriate layer first. This keeps drawings properly organized from the beginning. What you just accomplished. You created an organizational structure, controlled object appearance, improved drawing management, and prepared the drawing for professional drafting workflows. To summarize, creating layers in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and accessing the Layer Properties Manager. Inside the manager, selecting New Layer creates a new organizational layer that can then be renamed appropriately. After creating the layer, settings such as color, line type, transparency, and locking options can be adjusted to control how objects on that layer appear and behave. Layers help organize drawings efficiently by separating different drawing elements into structured categories, improving visibility control, editing management, and overall drafting workflow. And that's how to create layers in AutoCAD. Once you understand layers properly, your drawings become dramatically easier to organize, edit, and manage, especially as projects grow more complex. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.